I get it. I share your anger and your anxiety. If there's one thing more than any I want people to know, it is this. I get it. I share your anger and your anxiety. And that is precisely why I am standing to be your First Minister. I want to use all of my experience and everything I've learned during my years of public service to deliver the best possible future for our country, to make daily life more affordable and ease the pressure on family budgets, to continue the improvements in our NHS and make Scotland healthier, to end the scandal of child poverty in Scotland, and yes, to offer Scotland the chance of the best possible future by becoming an independent country. And I'll tell you something else. When I look at the chaos unfolding at Westminster at the moment, I feel an extra responsibility to provide trusted, reliable leadership for Scotland. 2 years ago, people trusted Labour to stand up for them and for their families. Labour repaid that trust with broken promises and with chaos. In the midst of a cost of living crisis, once again, Westminster is nowhere to be seen. Whether it's Tory chaos or Labour chaos, Westminster governments always let Scotland down, but the SNP will always be on Scotland's side. That's why you should vote SNP on the 7th of May.